While many creators upload thousands of videos to reach 100,000 subscribers, Paddy Galloway achieved remarkable success with just 33 videos, gaining over 500,000 subscribers and 33 million views. At first glance, it may seem like luck, but after analyzing his channel, I discovered that Paddy employs a 4-step formula in 90% of his videos. His 4th step is crucial, and without it, he wouldn't have achieved success. If you want to replicate this success on your channel, watch this video until the end. Step 1. White background thumbnails. If you visit Paddy Galloway's channel, you'll notice that every thumbnail uses a white background. But why? It's not because white is his favorite color. The reason is to reduce decision time. Paddy's viewers are accustomed to thumbnails with a white background, so when they see a similar thumbnail, they are more likely to click on it quickly. This cycle keeps repeating. However, how can we apply this strategy to our own channel? To apply this to your own channel, don't simply copy Paddy's white background. Instead, maintain consistency in your thumbnail design by choosing a color scheme and font, and using them consistently. This will help viewers recognize your videos and reduce decision time. Even MrBeast's thumbnails demonstrate this consistency. Now that viewers have clicked on your video, how do you keep them engaged? This is where step 2 comes in, creating intros with a need. As a YouTuber, you know how crucial it is to grab viewers' attention in the first 30 seconds. While many creators start with a fancy intro, such as, "Hi, hello guys, welcome to my channel," etc., Paddy crafts his intros to create a sense of need or an important question in the viewer's mind. He then promises to provide the answer by the end of the video. Viewers are now hooked, but what about the rest of the video? This is where step 3 comes in, building the hype. You have to watch this clip to understand this.
Before we searched for this video, I didn't realize just how good of an entrepreneur he really is. I actually think there are very few people on YouTube who are on his level when it comes to business, and I have a feeling that by the end of this video, you'll agree with me.
At first, he claimed that there are very few people on YouTube who are on his level when it comes to business. Later, he said that by the end of the video, you will agree with him. Thus, Paddy makes you curious to watch the video until the end. And if you noticed, I also used this strategy in my video. Finally, we've reached the final and most important step. Step 4. Genuine content. Paddy's success can be attributed to his genuine and practical advice. He could have resorted to clickbait titles, but instead, he focuses on providing value, which has helped build a loyal community that believes in him. At the end of the day, that's what truly matters.